So direct variation. So in this type of variation, when two variables are involved, if one increases, the other also increases. If one decreases, the other also decreases. So then these variables are said to vary directly. Say for example, men and wages. So if for 5 men, wages given is 1000 rupees. So what will be the amount given to 10 men? So when number of men increases, the amount given to them also will increase. So men and wages, these variables vary directly. So here we have double the men, so wages will be double the amount. So for 5 men if it is 1000, for 10 men it will be double the value, 2000. So when the variables vary directly, cross products will be same. So here when you check 5 into 2000 will be equal to 10 into 1000. So which is 10,000 on either side. So whenever you know that, so this is a simple logic, more men, more wages. So whenever the variables vary directly, cross products will be same. So you can remember like when they vary directly, so you remember the letter which occurs before this D, so that is C. So C is for cross products, and whenever the variables vary directly, so remember this cross product. So by cross multiplying, you can find whatever is asked. So we'll see how to use this concept and find for another data. So if for 5 men wages is 1000, what will be the wages given to 2 men? So for 2 men wages is asked, and to find this, so using the same cross product and equating them, you can find the value. So 5 into W, so will be equal to 2 into 1000. So now to find this amount, so divide this by 5, so which is equal to 200. So the wages given to 2 men is 2 into 200, 400. So by cross multiplying and equating them, so because this varies directly, so we have got the amount given to 2 people. So remember that whenever the variables vary directly, cross products will be same, and that cross you can remember like the letter which occurs before D. And now we'll solve another simple example which was asked in the previous exam. So using this direct variation concept, we'll see how to work out this question. A carpenter can assemble 5 tables in 3 days. In how many days he can assemble 20 tables? So let us see the working. So in this question, you have 2 variables, time and work. So the person takes 3 days to make 5 tables, and what will be time taken by him to make 20 tables. So the variables are time and work. So work is making of tables, and time they have given in days. So in 3 days, he is able to make 5 tables. So what will be time taken, the number of days, to make 20 tables? So here work has increased. So for 5 tables he needs 3 days. To make 20 tables he will need more number of days. So these 2 variables vary directly. So whenever they vary directly, so you remember that it should be cross multiplied and products will be same. So the cross products will be same. So by equating this 5 into D, so this product will be equal to 3 into 20. And now number of days is found by dividing it with 5, so which is equal to 12. So if this person can make 5 tables in 3 days, to make 20 tables, he needs 12 days. So this time and work varies directly. So we have cross multiplied, equated, and we have found the time taken. So here the shortcut which we have used is, so we have two variables, time and work. So time is given in days and work is in table. For 3 days he can make 5 tables. To make 20 tables he needs more number of days. As this vary directly, we have cross multiplied and we have got the answer as 12. So 12 days is needed for him to make 20 tables. So now we'll see the second example under direct variation. So A and B together completed 20 by 33 of the work. B and C together completed 23 by 33 of the work. So if they are paid rupees 9,900, find A's wages. So now we'll see the working. So in this question, so this question seems to be complicated. So this question mostly students solve like, so if A and B complete 20 by 33 of the work, so for remaining work they take as, so 1 minus 20 by 33, and all this fraction type questions working, so it's difficult and cumbersome also. So I'll tell you how to work out this question easily. A and B together, so they complete 20 by 33 of the work. B and C together completes 23 by 33 of the work. So for this work together they are paid, so rupees 9,900. So we are asked to find A share. So first instead of taking all these fractions, so you note here the denominators are same. So we assume that instead of taking part of a work, 33 toys has to be made. So we assume that so here assumed work is 33 toys. So total work is 33. So when we find the ratio of work done by A, B and C, you can share their wages accordingly. So it is given that A and B has completed 20 by 33 of the work, so which implies, so to find the work done, to get the ratio of work done by A, B and C, so this detail gives that out of 23 toys, A and B has done 20 toys. But it is not clear how many toys A did and how many toys B did. But we are sure that the remaining toys are done by C. So out of 33, 20 toys are done by A and B. So the remaining is 13 toys. 33 minus 20, 13. So C has done 13 toys. And the detail B and C is given that they have done 23 by 33 of the work. It means out of 33, B and C together had done 23 toys. So if B and C together 23 and we have got C as 13, so which means, so if C has done 13, so number of toys done by B, by subtracting, we get 10. So it is clear from this that B has done 10 toys. So out of 33, B has done 10 and C has done 13, that is together 23. The remaining toys A would have done, so that is 10. So now we have found the ratio for work done. So easily we have found this ratio, and now according to the work done they will be paid, and this wages can be shared accordingly. total amount given for this 33 toys is, so this 9,900 is divided by 33, the total work. So payment for each toy it is 300 rupees. And now you are asked to find the wages got by A. A has done only 10. So for one toy he receives 300. For 10 toys he will receive 10 into 300, 3,000 rupees. So the answer is 3,000. So here the logic is, first we find the ratio of work done by A, B and C. After getting the ratio of work done, according to the work done only the wages will be shared, and now we can easily get the amount got by A, and here in this question answer is 3,000. So we'll see some more examples which variables vary directly. So under this direct variation you have the variable men and work. So men and work varies proportionally, so they vary directly. So more men, more work is done. The same way, more time taken, more work is done. So when number of hours or days or minutes increases, work done is also more, and mostly time taken is given as, is mentioned as days or hours or minutes. So more time taken, more work is done. So days with work, hours with work or minutes with work also varies directly. And the next concept, next example is efficiency and work. So if a person is more efficient, he can do more work than a person who is less efficient. So efficiency and work also varies directly. So wages and work. So for the work done, he is paid. So for more work, he is paid more, and for less work, he is paid less. So wages and work also varies directly. So when a person is more efficient, he can do more work and he is paid more. So efficiency and wages also varies directly. So for all these concepts, so these variables vary directly within themselves. So whenever for direct variation, so remember this letter C for cross products. So cross multiply, equate the products and find whatever is asked. So now we'll see the next concept.